What's the meaning of barrier method? Barrier method. Barrier method.
Barrier method. Barrier method. The barrier method is a type of contraceptive that works by creating a physical barrier between the sperm and the egg, which prevents fertilization from occurring. There are several different types of barrier methods, including condoms, diaphragms, cervical caps, and contraceptive sponges. Each of these methods is designed to be used during sexual activity and must be inserted or applied before sex. Barrier methods can be effective when used correctly and consistently, but they are not as reliable as some other forms of contraception, such as hormonal methods like the birth control pill. It's important to discuss your options with a healthcare provider to determine the best form of contraception for you.